I will next time, I'll say it.
I second your motion.
Give us another second here. Get everybody back to the chairs. Ms. Arnold. Do we have, how many ballots were cast? Altogether, how many ballots were cast? 572 ballots were cast.
Out of 560? Out of 560?
Yes, that's 12 more than what we originally had.
How did that happen?
Brooks, come on. Can you grab a mic? Was it 560? Yeah.
We were told 560, and we're not even sure of that number. And very high paid staff members too. This is the political party that runs the state.
We could get national results in less time than we get one. 600
What do you know, Joe?
Mr. Chairman, Mayor Laurel, Stone County. Seeing that we're probably about to go into another revote, could I suggest that each chairman of each county be responsible for picking up all their county's ballots, and you have 3 tellers up front and 3 tellers in the back for them to report to get them, so we can move things along.
How would that? Like that.
That really work?
Give me 1 second here. Let me also ask, how many of you have VIP badges on? Sam, I just want to see who they are. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You guys would not have gotten a ballot, or should not have gotten a ballot. Go ahead.
Rick, you're going to get up to the mic. You're going to have to get to the mic. Rick, you're going to have to get to the mic.
I mean 560.
Rick, get to the mic.
We had a count of 580. 560. No.
Just stand by, let me explain. Let's stand by and let me explain. Robert says that in a convention, if you walk in and you have delegate status and you're credentialed, you're allowed to vote. The initial credentials number we had was 560. When we counted ballots, there were a total of 580 ballots. We sent them back to check credentials, and it matches up on credentials exactly at 580. Without us knowing, like when we sent them, they didn't know what number they were looking for. Does that make sense? We had 6 blanks and 2 for another candidate. So
that's why I went to 572.
Yeah.
Okay.
Balance passes 5.
Got it. Okay. All right. So with a eligible cast was 580. 580 was eligible to be cast,
which were
actually cast were 270. Why keep going back to 270? 572. 574. That's right, because Hooten and Blanks.
572.
Okay, oh, Blanks. It's not a name, Blank, it's blank. So with that, Mindy McAlinden, 265. Sharon Wright, 307. Sharon Wright is the generator.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for the vote. And the next item of business